What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It should be a very entertaining, fun, good video. Why? Because this is just like why you buy an Evo. This is why you buy a turboed car, for this reason. So there's not too many videos on this that are clear, detailed, precise as mine are. So I really want to show you guys easy, simple how-to before and after a Turbo Smart blow-off valve Evo 8, 9, 10. This is the same turbo blow-off valve that I ran for about 6 years on my Evo 10. The best one in my opinion. So we're gonna install it currently on my Evo 9. Believe it or not, this is my old Evo 10 OEM blow-off valve. That's it. That's actually from factory, no kidding. And what happened is mine came with the, I can't remember what it was. I think it was the Evo 8 or 9 one that's plastic and wasn't holding boost. So I swapped it over to the one that I still had from my old Evo 10. And I've been running that pretty much since I've had the car, to be honest. And it makes a very normal noise. So we'll go drive it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to install, and then they'll do a before and after. So let's get in the Evo, go for a spirited drive, and then I'll show you, and I gotta be honest with you guys, this is like, this is a 1-star. Easiest install ever. If you need to learn how to do this, if you don't know how to work in a car, it's literally just a couple clamps. So what we're gonna do, right there, we're gonna go for the drive. I'll swap it out on the fly, and we'll install the new one, and we'll do it before and after. So let's go ahead and look at the package real quick before we go for the drive. So, yeah, believe it or not, Prime Energy, this stuff's, your Prime is good. This is what I have right here. Compact, dual port, 34 millimeter by Turbo Smart. Amazing, 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 amazing. Engineered to win, engineered for fun is what it should say. So inside here, you're gonna get the little BOV. Comes in a little package. And it is one, of course for me, you know, everything has to be black and red. It's metal, it's nice, it's beautiful. It's the compact Turbo Smart on there. Harder, you can get harder, and then you can get softer by turning this. It's amazing. It's really amazing. So also it has a trumpet. This literally shoots into the atmosphere. It's amazing. So I'll show you the different design here, and it's literally a plug and play. On these ones, the blow-off valve actually comes and recirculates into the car, into the intake. You can do that with this and have 100% recirculating if you want. You can even cap that off, but you don't get that cool atmospheric sound. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on, and it does, I think it holds up to, and it's such a nice, look at that. And it's not a big one, it's a small, aesthetic, clean looking one. And I think it holds, like, I don't know how much PSI, but it does come with 2, and I should show you guys, because I don't know if you're gonna be running a big boost car. But I think it also comes with another spring. And then it does come with clamps, which is nice. Of course, your sticker and a card. Very cool, very cool. It's just so aesthetic, look at that. That is a nice BOV, that looks such quality. So we're gonna put this actually in the car with us. We're gonna bring a couple hose clamps with us, and we're gonna change it out on the fly. Let's start the Evo and go. This car is so special. What a unicorn. 2006 Evo 9 MR 6-speed, baby. Rally red with the SE lip on there. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's amazing. Definitely needs new rotors, clean the wheels, and then to lower it. So we're gonna be doing that. So let's get in the car. We'll do some whooshing noise. You'll hear the factory, and then we'll go upgrade to the Turbo Smart. So that's the Evo 9 factory. So that's, or excuse me, Evo 10 factory. You do hear a lot of intake noise, and that's from the engine intake system, which I mean is an amazing deal. That engine intake system, it comes with the upper mount charge pipe, the lower mount charge pipe, the other lower mount charge pipe, an intake filter, and an intake pipe, all of it in one, and they're pretty reasonable. That is a lot of bang for your buck. The only thing it doesn't come with is the intercooler. So there is also a Mishimoto intercooler setup, and that might have been more cost effective if you're gonna do that, but you have to upgrade the charge pipes and intercooler. I mean, it's a significant portion to your increase of power. Let's go ahead and jump on over here. All right, car is warmed up a little bit, so you know, you don't really have to get too high to hear it start making boost. We'll actually watch it on the gauge. There you go. So we'll go down into third. It's very OEM. Really, really OEM. Pull with what I've been driving on, the Evo 10 BOV. Wow, this thing's so fast. Man, these cars are fast. All right, one more underneath the tunnel pass. We got a tunnel. It's pretty good. It's gonna be such an easy install. We're gonna do it while we're driving. Okay, so I got my little wrench. I think it's an 8mm or a 7mm. I got another zip tie. I got scissors to cut the old zip tie. I got the BOV, and then we're gonna swap them out real quick. Super simple. On that clamp right there, lefty-loosey from here, and then on the lower one, lefty-loosey, and we'll pull it out. The reason I bought scissors is because I like to zip tie all my vacuum lines real tight so they don't come off. I've had so many, every time I have turbo cars. I encourage either getting a clamp or zip ties. You just got it, don't just slide it, it just always comes off. Any kind of strong boost that it pushes it off. Maybe like not 5 pounds, but 10, 15, 20 pounds, it'll push it off. So let's go ahead and remove the OEM. Again, lefty-loosey, pull that off. One more, and you can actually just remove the engine intake. I'd rather do that. That was actually a good idea. Here is the OEM one, hunk of junk. It's not a hunk of junk, it's actually good quality. And you can crush these and they'll last a long time. Yeah, this one probably has, this one I would say probably has over maybe 150,000 miles on this one. And then let's go ahead and grab the new one. Turbo Smart, you're welcome. Why you're welcome? Because this is an awesome product and I'm loving it, and I definitely highly recommend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on now. Same thing, you just slide it back in there. Super, super simple. Literally like 4 minutes later, not even like 3 minutes. So 8, 8, 8, and that'll get it. Again, I did an 8 to get this guy off. Installed absolutely very beautiful. This top lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, see that? That's how you make it harder. So if you want it harder, AKA meaning more out here, more into the atmosphere, right. Lefty-looser is softer, so more dual port. So I went full hard, so it's gonna come out here. Not too much recirc. So it should be really loud. You know, I think you can get them tuned for that actually. So sometimes it does want, if you shove more air back into the intake, I think it's good for it instead of full atmospheric, because you're pushing more air back from the turbo back into there, so it has more air for the next gear. But we're not gonna do that right now. We're just gonna go full atmospheric just for sound. I do still have, this is a really nice, man, I love, you have to buy, this is such an awesome car. This is the easiest car ever to work on, I swear. This is just mint for fun. There's that beautiful 6-speed down there. Here's the electronic boost controller that I mounted. We're gonna get a new one from Grimspeed, and just super simple, and we'll put that one in when we go get the tune. That is on my to-do list. Also, we have the stock intercooler. I need a big fat one down there. It's on my to-do list. So let's slide this back on and go for a drive. Okay, let's listen to this start up, and we'll make some whoosh noise. The car's warm now, so I can rev it. So much better. Sounds like my old Evo. That's what I wanted. It's about $200, they're about $220. If you guys didn't know this, turbo cars under load make a completely different noise. I mean, absolutely different. So that was just idling. So you'll listen here. If you didn't know that, I mean, most cars under load make a totally different noise, make more power. And under load meaning like it's pulling the car to go forward. It does make a different sound. So here we're gonna listen to it now. This is exciting. I'm very excited. I haven't heard this yet. Besides just what we did, let's enjoy it together. So it's a new pole with a Turbo Smart Bov. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh wow, amazing. Car feels so much more refined. It is exactly what you want. Oh, that is so good. Yes. Yes. That is awesome. I have a huge smile on my face. I'm so glad I bought the same one. I was really contemplating on what I was gonna do. That is it. You will be so happy with this. One, it's really nice quality. I ran it on my Evo for a long time, like 6 years on my other Evo. Oh, what a good decision. It is awesome. So I'm currently on full, so I went all the way to hard. So the majority of it, this is like the loudest you're gonna get from it. If you want to recirc more of it, you can. Just do lefty-loosey. I'll probably drive around like this. I like the sound of it. It is amazing. It is just, I mean, like, I'm speechless. This is why you buy this car. It's for that noise. It is, I just love it. I love it. Let's do it again. We're gonna do another pull here. Just absolutely the most amazing. We're gonna do one more right up here. Here we go. Oh, that is so good. Yes. Absolutely different sound. Not only does it sound amazing, it looks very aesthetic. Very nice. Absolutely recommend this. So again, this is like a 10 out of 10 solid. I've had experience on it for many years, so I'm glad I went back to it. To be honest, if you buy an Evo and you still run stock BOVs, it's immediately, as soon as you get the car, go get an aftermarket one, because you'll drive miles on the car without enjoying it to its fullest potential. The fullest potential is with a BOV like this. I mean, this is such a fun video. So good. $200, $250, they're roughly around that, 250 bucks, $200. It is, just do it. I mean, it's like two or three tanks of gas. Do it right away. Go buy a blow-off valve, buy this one. Compact, I went with the compact again. Compact, I mean it's a small little one. They do make bigger ones as well. This is just my favorite. It has the little trumpet right there, as you guys can see, that little trumpet, and just great product. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Now we have to do, exciting stuff, but not as much fun, because we gotta do brake job. These seem to be good brakes. I'm excited. I actually opened them up. Look at this. This is aesthetic. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna do those. Nice. These are just called JDM affordable coilovers. We'll see if they're any good. We're gonna throw those on there. I got them because they're black and red. And then we're gonna paint the Brimbos like every Evo driver ever does. So that'll be a normal video. Yeah, I mean, I love this car. What an amazing car. Super thankful. Very thankful that I have this car. Like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Let's get this hunko junko running too. And then let's boost the FRS. This is gonna be some good content. Like, subscribe, swing by my channel. See you guys, swing by my channel. Swing by MITSUBISHI.com. See you guys on the next video.